Microscopic tardigrades, additionally called water bears, are the toughest animals on the Earth, capable of withstanding intense radiation, extreme temperatures, and even the vacuum of the area. During a fascinating new study, researchers have shown that tardigrades are poised to survive virtually something that nature throws at them, and that of the animals alive these days, they'll be the last ones standing before the sun annihilates the planet billions of years from currently. The point of this cheerful study, revealed these days in scientific reports, was to work out the conditions underneath that all life on Earth can be destroyed, and therefore the phenomena that might instigate the premature sterilization of the Earth. The word premature is key. The sun might sterilize the planet in as few as 2 billion years, and engulf it in regarding 5 to 7 billion years once it turns into a star. However, that's not what this analysis team was inquisitive about. They wished to understand if one thing else can be capable of exterminating all life on our planet. Such associate in nursing exercise isn't utterly idle. The solution to the present question might tell the United States of America regarding the resiliency of life, and therefore the extreme conditions underneath that it will survive, or not survive, on Earth, Mars, the frigid subterranean waters of Galilean, or some dark corner of the Milky Way system. As Avi physiologist, associate in nursing urinologist at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Urinology and an author of the new study, told Gizmodo, "I was interested in that astronomy phenomena will eradicate life, therefore this may guide United States of America during which environments we must always not explore for life." First, Loeb and his colleagues had to answer one elementary question: that animal on Earth, is that the toughest to kill? That animal, to nearly no one's surprise, is that the capriciously sturdy arthropod. This 8-legged wee beastie, they live 0.5 mm long will vertical bar and might, solely be seen through a microscope, can endure conditions that boggle the imagination, living for up to 30 years while not food or water, and enduring temperature extremes of up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. Tardigrades will stand up to blasts of radiation, complete dehydration, being frozen, the vacuum of the area, and even the extraordinary pressure found at very cheap of the archipelago trench. It ought to return as a very little surprise, therefore, that these animals, that emerged 350 million years ago throughout the Cambrian era, have managed to survive no but 5 mass extinctions. With the arthropod chosen, Loeb's team then explored the assorted ways that within which this creature may be utterly wiped off the Earth. Incredibly, they found that these ancient extremophiles can seemingly survive all natural calamities, from asteroids and supernovae through to gamma-ray bursts and wandering stars, because none of those events area units seemingly to trigger the sole factor which will actually destroy all tardigrades, the boiling off of the world's oceans. Yes, you scan that right, it'll solely be once the oceans boil away and also the planet is dry as a bone that the arthropod family can meet its end. Loeb and his colleagues, Raphael Battista and David Sloan, each from Oxford, say tardigrades would be able to survive the destruction of the Earth's atmosphere or a runaway atmospheric phenomenon by seeking shelter within the ocean. That is why they were forced to think about urinology events powerful enough to consume the Earth of water. To its finish, the researchers thought of the potential for asteroid strikes, supernovae, and gamma-ray bursts to try and do the task. Nevertheless, none of those celestial phenomena appeared powerful enough.